How to change your Instagram account type. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can change your Instagram account type. So the first step I want you to be doing is go to your profile. So when you're on your home section, go ahead and navigate to your profile section just below your screen. Click on your profile section. When you click on your profile section, go ahead and click on the three lines showing above your screen. So when you click on that, click on where it says settings and privacy. Go click on that. When you click on settings and privacy, there's a lot here, guys, so you can go ahead and look for where it says account type. But as you can see, guys, you can go ahead and look for where it says account type. So if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and use the search icon. So you can go ahead and type account type here, but let's go ahead and use that. So let me show you how you can look for it here. So when you scroll a little down, you'll be seeing where it says account type and tools. So go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, you can go ahead and click on switch to professional. So my account is on personal account now, so I can go ahead and switch to professional account. So you go ahead and read all this and then you click. So here is where you're going to choose your account type. So my account type is finance. Alright, finance. Let's choose finance. So when you click on finance, go ahead and display. If you want to display your account type there, you can go ahead and do that. So click on done. It's going to take up to 30 seconds to finish. So when you're done, you can go ahead and click. If you're a business, click on business. If you're just a creator, you can click on creator. So for now, guys, you are done doing that. So that's it, guys. I've switched my account type from personal to professional. So you can go ahead and, if you want to do anything that has to do with switching your accounts, just go ahead and navigate to where it says account type. So as you can see, guys, my account has changed. My account type has changed from personal to finance. So you can go ahead and play with that. Go ahead and change and click on the buttons and change to whatever you want to do. So this is how you can change your account type. This video is really helpful to you guys. Go ahead and click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.